What if the future wasn't 10 years away, but already quietly coming together inside a Tesla factory? What if your next coworker, warehouse assistant, or even home helper wasn't a human at all, but a robot crafted by the same company building electric cars and rockets? This isn't science fiction anymore. Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 humanoid robot is no longer just a prototype, it's in production. Right now, inside Tesla's Fremont factory, a silent revolution is taking place. The company has begun building its most ambitious product yet, the Optimus Gen 3. And while most people are still trying to wrap their heads around electric vehicles, Elon Musk is already pushing the limits of what robots can do. The goal? To build not dozens, not thousands, but eventually millions of humanoid robots, each one with a brain powered by AI, a body built from the same advanced materials used in Tesla vehicles, and a mission to change how we live and work forever. And the current target is 5,000 units in this early production phase. Each one takes shape through a process that combines over 1,000 mechanical parts, 28 drive units, and Tesla's in-house FSD chips. Before leaving the factory, every robot must pass a grueling 72-hour non-stop test to ensure it can withstand real-world environments. That level of scrutiny isn't just impressive, it's unheard of. And Tesla isn't stopping there. Plans are already in motion to expand Optimus production to Giga, Texas, one of the largest manufacturing hubs in the world, and to Giga, Mexico by the end of 2025. These facilities could each produce up to 500,000 robots annually. By 2027 or 2028, Tesla may be producing more humanoid robots than some companies produce cars. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We're diving into the biggest stories shaping the future of technology. So how is Tesla able to scale up production so quickly when other robotics companies are still fumbling with limited batches and sky-high costs? It comes down to the same thing that made Tesla the king of EV manufacturing: smart modular design. Optimus Gen 3 isn't just a mechanical marvel, it's a masterpiece of efficiency. Every major part of the robot, from its limbs to its processor, can be detached, upgraded, or replaced independently. This means faster assembly, easier maintenance, and a robot that evolves over time instead of becoming obsolete. Take the actuator systems, for example. Tesla didn't reinvent the wheel here, they adapted existing electric motor platforms, specifically the ones used in the Model 3. That means they're not starting from scratch with each unit. They're building off the same ecosystem, which helps cut down on cost and production delays. And speaking of cost, Optimus runs on a 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack built with Tesla's proprietary 4680 cells. These cells have already been optimized for mass production and long-term reliability at Giga, Texas. That allows Tesla to push the price per robot dramatically lower than its competitors. But it's not just about what's inside. The materials used in Optimus set a new standard in robotic engineering. Tesla opted for a magnesium-aluminum alloy shell, a material that's both lighter and stronger than traditional aluminum. The result? A robot that weighs only 73 kilograms, yet can lift up to 20 kilograms effortlessly. While other companies use strong but heavy materials, Tesla has balanced strength with flexibility. This allows Optimus to move smoothly across complex terrain without draining its power supply. Tesla uses electrostatic painting, a process that creates a thin, ultra-durable layer that protects against dirt, corrosion, and electrostatic damage. Even the inner skeleton of Optimus has been engineered with intention. The frame is built using a honeycomb structure, lightweight but incredibly strong. This not only reduces the robot's weight, but increases its impact resistance. It's an elegant solution to a difficult problem, and it's exactly the kind of thinking that sets Tesla apart. But none of this matters without safety. That's why the robot's arms and elbows are wrapped in soft TPU plastic to minimize injury risk when working alongside humans. While many competitors are only beginning to consider this, Tesla has already made it a design priority. So what makes Optimus Gen 3 more than just a robot? It's the brain. Powered by Tesla's full self-driving chips and AI software, Optimus doesn't just follow pre-programmed commands, it learns. It sees the world through an array of 360-degree sensors and cameras, using spatial recognition and real-time data to adapt on the fly. Just like Tesla vehicles can navigate complex traffic environments, Optimus can learn to fold laundry, restock shelves, or assist with warehouse operations, all with minimal human intervention. Tesla trains the robot using the very same machine learning infrastructure it developed for its self-driving cars. That means the more robots in the field, the faster they all learn. Every motion, every task, every environment helps train the next generation. And Tesla is already testing them in its own factories. In Fremont, Optimus is being used to transport parts, monitor assembly, and even assist with quality control. These real-world tests don't just prove the concept, they accelerate the timeline to mass adoption. Now let's talk about quality control. Every Optimus must pass a gauntlet of mechanical, electrical, and software tests, including 72 straight hours of continuous movement and decision-making across a variety of simulated environments. From warehouses to households, the robot must prove it can handle the unexpected before it ships to a customer. Tesla is targeting a 10-year operational lifespan, or around 20,000 working hours, twice as long as industry standards. That means fewer repairs, less downtime, and better value for buyers. Of course, no journey comes without its roadblocks. Scaling Optimus isn't easy. One major challenge is the supply of rare earth magnets like neodymium, which are critical to the robot's motors. With most of the global supply coming from China and new export restrictions in place, Tesla is already seeking alternatives in Australia and Canada, while also investing in rare earth-free motor tech and recycling solutions. Despite the hurdles, Elon Musk is charging ahead. Tesla plans to produce 50,000 units in 2026, with a path toward millions annually by the end of the decade. And with a target price under $10,000, this isn't just a tool for industrial giants, it could one day be part of your home. Imagine a world where Optimus helps you with chores, monitors your elderly parents, works night shifts in warehouses, or even joins search and rescue missions in disaster zones. That world isn't far off. In fact, it may already be walking quietly through a Tesla assembly line. So, what would you do with a humanoid robot in your life? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this deep dive into Tesla's robot revolution fascinating, tap that like button and subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more on the future of tech coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.